They say a woman's hair is her crown, and today I decided to polish mine. Just 2 weeks after giving birth, my body is healing, my mind is adjusting, and honestly, I needed something to make me feel like myself again. That's when I called my stylist to my home, and together we created this beautiful mermaid braid. And let me be honest, when I first started this style, I was like, will this come out right? Because patience is the real MVP here. But as the braid began to take shape, I couldn't stop smiling. That's the thing about braiding. It teaches you patience, but also rewards you with beauty at the end. When I look into the mirror after the final braid was done, I felt magical. It wasn't just hair, it was me rediscovering my glow. You know, as a new mom, it's so easy to get lost in the sleepless nights, the baby cries, the endless cycle of feeding and caring. But this moment, sitting down and letting someone else care for me, reminded me of something important. Self care is not selfish, in fact, it is necessary. And for me, braids have always been that little reminder that beauty and strength go hand in hand. As I sat there, feeling each braid fall into place, I realized this was more than just a hairstyle. It was a celebration of womanhood, of resilience, of the beauty that comes even in the most challenging season. And when I finally looked at myself in the mirror, I didn't just see a tired new mom. I saw a queen with her crown shining bright. Let me be real with you. Pregnancy no be beans, so 9 months feel like 9 years sometimes. The cravings, the sleepless nights, the swollen feet, the mood swing. Man, if you are listening, just know your wife went through a lot to bring life into this world. And then after all that, there's childbirth itself. That moment, it's golden. Painful, yes, but priceless because out of it comes life. So sitting down to make this breed wasn't just about beauty, it was about reclaiming a part of me. As moms, we pour everything into our baby. The feeding, the rocking, the constant attention, and while it's beautiful, it's also draining. That's why when my stylist started parting my hair, I felt something shift inside. I felt cared for. And in that moment I realized women deserve to be valued, not just for what we do but for who we are. If you're a man watching this, I want you to pause and think. That woman by your side, she carried a whole human being for 9 months and her body stretched, shifted, and sacrificed to give you a child. She endured pain you may never understand, and yet, after all of that, society expects her to just bounce back, to smile, cook, clean, look good, and raise the baby all at once. It's not easy. That's why when you see her making her hair, looking good, or just taking a moment for herself, encourage her, support her, value her because truthfully, women go through things men will never fully understand. We deserve not just flower on birthdays, but daily respect, kindness, and love. In our culture, hair is never just hair. Back in the days, braiding was a bonding experience. Women would sit together under a tree, sharing stories while braiding each other's hair. It was a place of laughter, wisdom, and community. Hair carried identity. You could tell someone's tribe, marital status, or even social standing just from the style they wore. Today, it may not always carry those meaning, but the significance remains. For me, making this marriage braid as a new mom is like saying I am still me. Beyond being a wife, being a mother, I am still a woman who loves to look and feel beautiful. And every woman deserves that reminder. Let me share this with you. The process of childbirth humbled me. No matter how strong you think you are, in that delivery room, you realize life is fragile and precious. Every contraction felt like a mountain, but every push was fueled by love. When that baby finally arrived, I cried, not just from relief, but from gratitude. And you know what's funny? After all that, people expect you to just get up and continue life like nothing happened. Can you imagine? But the truth is, a woman's body, mind, and spirit need time to heal. That's why these braids means more to me than just style. They represent resilience. They represent the beauty of rising again after going through fire. Men, value your wives. Don't wait until anniversaries to show love. Every day, remind her she's appreciated. Now, let's go back to the braid themselves because I know some of you are eyeing them like, how can I get mine to look like this good? First, always moisturize your hair. Dry hair and braids are sworn enemy. Second, section have everything. Don't rush it. Think of it like building a house. The foundation has to be strong. And third, break it if you need to. As a new mom, sitting too long wasn't easy, so I gave myself grace. And lastly, always stand up and walk around whenever you're tired. So as I sit here today with my mommy braids flowing gracefully, I don't just see hair, I see strength, I see motherhood, I see resilience, and most importantly, I see a woman who deserves to be valued. To every woman watching this, remember, your hair is your crown, but your watch is far beyond it. So every man watching, please, 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 please value your wife. Appreciate her sacrifices, both seen and unseen, because the journey of 9 months, the process of childbirth, and the love she pours daily is priceless. Would you try mommy braid? And to the men, how do you show your wives you value them? Drop your thoughts in the comment section. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, because here at Rain Exquisite, every braid carries a story, and every story deserves a shine. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned.